friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. I am the founder of Nisha Tutor. In this series, we are doing complex numbers, and in my last video, we already discussed about definition of complex numbers. A complex numbers is an expression of the form a plus bi, where a is real part, b is imaginary part, and I square equal minus 1. These are the examples of complex numbers. And today we will discuss about arithmetic operations on complex numbers. So definition of addition: if you add two complex numbers, so you add the real parts a and c, okay, and the imaginary part b plus d, I. Same rule for subtraction: if you subtract two complex numbers, so subtract real parts and subtract imaginary part. When you multiply, so you will get like this: ac minus bd, okay, and plus ad plus bci, where I square equal minus 1. In my last video I showed you how we got this part, okay. Here is today's question: adding, subtracting and multiplying complex numbers. Express the following in the form a plus bi. Here a question: 3 plus 5i, add with another complex number 4 minus 2i. So just simply add real parts 3 plus 4 and here plus. Now add imaginary part. So 5i minus 2i, so we can write 5 minus 2i, take common I, and this is 7 plus 3i. This is the answer. So complex numbers, if you add and subtract, really easy. Now we solve B question. 3 plus 5i, same complex number but subtract. Here subtract real parts, so 3 minus 4, and subtract imaginary part 5 minus 2 I. So 3 minus 4 minus 1, and here 3 plus 2 7 I. Okay. So when we add these two complex numbers, we got 7 plus 3i, and when we subtracted, we got minus 1 plus 7i. Now multiply. 3 plus 5i multiply 4 minus 2i equal. So when you multiply, you have two ways. Just multiply and show all steps, or you can just write, if you learn, so you can just write this. So AC minus BD, okay, plus AD plus BCI. So here subtract, here add. We can imagine this is A plus BI multiply with C plus DI. So AC 3 times 4 12 minus 5 times minus 2 minus 10. So minus 10 plus A multiply with D. So 3 times minus 2 minus 6 plus 5 times 4 20 I. Okay. Now 12, here minus minus plus, so this is 12 plus 10 22, and minus 6 plus 20 is 14 I, and this is the answer. Now D question: I to the power 23. Here odd power 23, we have to convert into even power, so we can write 22 plus 1. Here we apply exponent laws, and we know that a to the power m plus n, so we can write a to the power m multiply a to the power n. Okay, so here I to the power 22 multiply I. We know that I square is minus 1. So we can write I 2 times 11. 22 we can write 2 times 11 and this I. Okay. So a to the power m multiply n. It means we can write a to the power m to the power n. Okay. So we can write I square to the power 11 times I. And now we can put I square value, this minus 1, okay, and to the power 11 multiply I. And do you know, if negative number to the power odd, answer is in negative, and if here power even, so answer is in positive. So here negative 1, okay, and this I. So this is our answer, final answer. I to the power 23 equal minus I. So in this type of questions, if even power, that's great. Otherwise, if odd power, so you can convert like this, even number plus 1, and you can apply this product rule, okay, and then you can apply this power to the power rule, and you can put I square value minus 1 and you can get answer. Just remember, if minus 1 to the power even, so answer is in positive. If power is odd, it means answer is in negative. Okay, very simple questions. But if you have any questions, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.